Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here, and we're back again with another Injective ecosystem tutorial as part of our Ninja Newbie series. So in previous tutorials, we've showed you how to buy the INJ token on exchanges, how to create various wallets for the INJ token, and how to transfer those funds from the exchange to your wallet. So now that you have INJ in one of the supported wallets, you can head over to inj.space.id and claim your .inj name here. So I'm over here at the website. I'm going to click connect in the upper right. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use my Kepler wallet here. And you can see that I've connected and I have 0.38 Injective in my wallet. And then I'm going to search for the name that I want. I believe the WhisperNode name I've already claimed. So for this tutorial, I'm going to claim Brendan .inj, which is available. You can search for any name and see if it is claimed or not. Looks like that one is available, and it costs 0.11 INJ per year. And you can see the registration fee of 0.11 Injective here. Click that register button, and I'm going to get a pop-up to approve that. And there we go. I now have claimed my .inj name, and I can transfer that over to another wallet if I signed up with one wallet and I want to transfer it over to another wallet just by entering my Injective address here on the transfer owner page. So I can also extend another year or make it 10 years if I want to make sure no one else claims that INJ name. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Super easy, and hope to see you guys claim your INJ names and get involved in the Injective ecosystem. Take it easy, guys.